of these two teams?
The managers decided to go for a 4-1-2-1-2 formation, an unconventional formation which can be deadly when used properly.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game.
Neymar. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break.
Oh, good block there.
Won the ball. Neymar. Hernandez.
He did well to win the ball back.
Confident pass.
Well played.
Oh, he saved it.
And that's into the box. Oh, it's a straight red.
He's headed the ball forward. Alexander-Arnold. Silva. Bruno Fernandes.
What an opportunity! And his shot is blocked. Surely now! And out for the throw-in.
This is Busquets.
A single change has been made, but it have an effect. Goal was set at half-time. Both teams need goals if they're going to win. Oh, well timed. Great pass.
Headed on.
That's nicely played. Mbami with the tackle. Oh, and it's saved by the goalkeeper.
Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. The scores are level, but they want to find a way through.
He should have been on target.
Cancelo. Back towards the centre. And it's Ronaldo.
And he's won it back for his team.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
It's a tight game here. This could be a chance for the opposition to penetrate the back line. And Dyke with the tackle. using the width here. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping. Still level here. It might take a moment of brilliance to separate these two teams. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Here's Neves.
It's Messi.
The keeper's blocked that one. And that one swung into the box. Good save by the goalkeeper.
And the coach is changing things around.
Went in with pace. Goodness me, that was close.
And the manager's making a change here.
They needed to get that one away, and they have.
He's headed the ball forward.
That's into the side netting. Goal kick.
And the coach is changing things around. It's been difficult to separate them, so you have to say a draw is a fair result here.
Oh, fantastic effort from him. Well deserved the Man of the Match award.